Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every vintage car owner: insuring your prized possession without breaking the bank. Imagine cruising down the highway in your classic beauty, knowing you've secured the best insurance deal possible. But how do you achieve that? In the next few minutes, we'll unveil essential tips and tricks that could save you hundreds of dollars on your vintage car insurance. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this. Your wallet will thank you. First things first, understanding the value of your vintage car is crucial. Vintage cars can appreciate over time, and knowing their true worth will help you avoid underinsurance or overpaying for coverage. Research recent sales of similar models and consult classic car valuation guides. This knowledge empowers you to negotiate better premiums with insurers. Next up, don't settle for the first quote you receive. Shopping around is key to finding the best deal. Use online comparison tools to gather multiple quotes from different insurers. Each company has its own pricing structure, and even a small difference in premiums can lead to significant savings over time. Take your time. This is an investment in your investment. Did you know that there are insurance companies that specialize in vintage and classic cars? These insurers understand the unique needs of vintage car owners and often offer tailored policies that can save you money. They may provide agreed value coverage, which means your car's value is locked in at a specific amount. No depreciation here. Another fantastic option is usage-based insurance. If you don't drive your vintage car daily, consider policies that charge based on mileage. Many insurers offer discounts for low-mileage drivers, so if your classic beauty spends more time in the garage than on the road, this could be a golden opportunity to save. Joining a classic car club can also lead to savings. Many clubs have partnerships with insurance companies that offer exclusive discounts to members. Plus, being part of a community can provide valuable resources and advice on everything from maintenance to insurance options. Your driving record plays a significant role in determining your insurance premiums. Maintaining a clean driving record can lead to lower rates over time. Avoid accidents and traffic violations, and consider taking a defensive driving course. Some insurers even offer discounts for completing such courses. Don't forget about bundling. If you have other insurance policies like home or auto insurance, consider bundling them with your vintage car insurance. Many providers offer multi-policy discounts that can save you substantial amounts on your overall premiums. Finally, make it a habit to review your policy regularly. As market values change and your circumstances evolve, it's essential to ensure you're not overinsured or underinsured. Set reminders every year or so to reassess your coverage needs and shop around again if necessary. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope these tips and tricks help you save money while protecting your beloved vintage car. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Have any questions or additional tips? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep cruising in style and saving smart.